Hi, Felix. Look up and say hello. Hi, Felix. How are you? Felix is showing you how he turns around. Now Felix is showing you how he eats his food. Oh, what a good cat. He's eating his Purinas. Listen. Oop. Listen to the crunch. Go ahead, Felix. Eat your Purinas. That's a good cat. How about having some water with it? Would you like some water? That's good, cat. You're such a good boy. Have some water. I know you want fresh water because you're a finicky cat, right? Right. Okay, bye. Say bye, everybody. Bye. Say bye. Where's your face? Always in the food. Always in the food. Okay.